In today's session, I want to begin talking about mindset. So let me first define mindset in the way that I'm referring to it. Mindset is consistently engaging thoughts that lead you towards your desired outcome. And this is the most important component of success. And it doesn't matter what your desired outcome is, whatever your success is, whether that be a happy family life, a well-balanced life, produce more revenue in your business this year, okay, a fulfilling career, financially rewarding career, doesn't matter. The most important component of success is the mindset that I have described, consistently engaging thoughts that lead you towards your desired outcome, because you can have the greatest mechanical strategy in the world, but without an optimized mindset, you will self-sabotage. Because as sure as death and taxes, thoughts are going to come, doubts are going to come, fears are going to come, I'm not good enough are going to come, that are going to try to pull you away from your desired outcome. This is the block that holds people back in life. So what can we do about this? How can we strengthen this muscle? How can we build an optimized mindset? In the next video, I'm going to give you 2 key methods to show you precisely how to do that and how to start to train a quality mindset.